Hey guys, it's me, Jan, CEO of Acquire.Fi. Welcome back to the channel. Like I covered yesterday, we saw a major dump happening. I told you guys that, hey, if we're gonna go below 62,000, there's gonna be a major liquidation event happening. And that's basically what happened. We went all the way back to 58,000 levels, and now we're recovering. But I told you guys, I predicted this, that, hey, if we're gonna go bypass the 62,000 level, there's going to be a major dump, and that's basically what happened. And usually when this happens, this is actually a very good time to buy. I bought a little bit. I was lucky enough to have some buy orders at 59 level, but not enough, of course. But I'm definitely buying BTC at these levels. I think it's a very good time to buy despite the negative sentiment. If you go to the ETF flows, they're still negative, and also empty GOX that got hacked years ago are finally starting to pay back their BTC that they recovered. This is a good event for crypto. There's going to be more liquidity coming in. Of course, some of this will dump for sure, but thing is this, guys. First of all, you have been able to trade these empty GOX repayments for a while now. There's a lot of OTC that have been happening. Most of these have been sold out already. So what you guys gonna see is I'm not predicting a major dump. I think this is just a major news event trying to basically get noobs away. Whales are definitely buying out a lot of BTC at the moment, and despite it's like $9 billion, it's not actually that much. So don't be afraid of this event that much. Most of it has been traded already, and I think this will also go into alts somehow. So I think despite BTC would be sold out, they will probably go to different alts. So let's see. But as I said yesterday, the heat liquidation map is very good way of predicting and seeing, hey, where is the liquidity map? At the moment, there's major resistance at 63,000 levels. So if we break this level out on the upside, we will just break through 64 or 65,000 pretty quick. But yeah, let's stay positive still. If we go back to the market, let's go to BTC dominance. BTC dominance went a little bit down, and the total market cap is back to $1 trillion. This is excluding BTC. This is actually a very good thing. And actually, another thing I wanted to show you guys, the fear and greed index is finally on the fear level. And usually when it's on the fear level, that's a very good time to buy. Market is not overvalued. The market is actually a little bit scared. And there's a famous saying, once market is scared, it's the best time to buy, basically. But yeah, a lot of the different events are happening at the same time. ETF flows are negative. Empty GOX are going to start repaying. So not a lot of positive things. And if you go to the other side, if you go to Ethereum, for example, Ethereum also saw a little bit dumpy. But actually, there was actually a very good article here. Well, not article, but I've been seeing this post more and more about why people should be bullish on ETH on Ethereum. One thing, empty GOX has no Ethereum. The Germans are not selling Ethereum. So German government actually had a huge amount of BTC, and they've been selling it, but they don't have any Ethereum. There's no miners that are selling Ethereum, and also the ETF is coming on the 4th of July. So there's a lot of positive things on Ethereum, and actually there's a lot of speculation that Ethereum might now start actually performing better than BTC. I've been stacking a little bit Ethereum, to be honest. Not a lot, but still. Like I said before, I had a huge buy-in over here back in the days on this rally when it went to 4,000. Let's go here. Yeah. Before March, I was very bullish on this run. I was saying like, hey, we're going to go to all-time high. Unfortunately, we hit the 4,100 level, and after that we broke down. And now, actually, I think we're still on an accumulation stage. Same thing as BTC. We've been chopping around between 4,000 and 3,000 levels. and probably will test the 4,000 and 3,200 levels again. But before August, I don't see anything major happening. Maybe if July 4th is not going to be a sell the news event, we might see some uptick, but I'm not waiting a lot. Let's go here. On another note, I think this was interesting. Thor, who is a well-known blogger slash influencer, he has been covering what's happening against what's happening with altcoins against BTC, and I think one major thing that is kind of interesting is that almost all altcoins has been underperforming against BTC. So if you bought BTC this year, you've been up quite a lot compared to other altcoins. And we can also see it. Like if we go, for example, back here, and we can go to Celestia, which is a modular blockchain that has been very popular. It's almost, let's see, it was 74% down yesterday, but probably recovered a little bit. Yeah, 66% down. And this is a major trend. It's like with almost everything. One chain that has been performing well is Ton. I'm pretty bullish on Ton. They have so many users that they can just onboard. And especially like Karate, Hamster Karate Combat, and plate tap games that have become very popular. I see a lot of use cases for Telegram. And them onboarding games is actually a very good strategy. But yeah, even Near is down a lot. Let's see from here. Yeah, almost. Well, actually, Near is performing pretty well. Like only 33%. Would be a good time to buy. Or at least looks like it's bottomed out. And it's on a major resistance level here. Let's see what else is here. Solana. Well, Solana has not been performing well. If we go to the all-time high here, I think we're minus 33. Yeah, pretty good. Not so bad. Could be worse. But there was a lot of OTC happening with Solana. So people who don't know, the FTX real estate or FTX bankruptcy was selling a lot of Solana at $65 level, and then the next trans was at $120 level, I think. So they're still on the plus side, but it's crazy amount. It was like $4 billion, and the lockup was 1 year lockup and 4 year vesting. So yeah. On another note, BNB has also been starting to be on the resistance level. It bumped a lot during March to the 600 to 500 levels, and it's been staying here for a while. And I would say, like, Binance overall, they're still one of the major exchanges, and I wouldn't be surprised that BNB would go to all-time high the same time as Ethereum. I will be watching BNB quite closely and see what's happening. But if we go back here, you can see almost all alt has been underperforming, and there's only 28% of alts that have been outperforming BTC, which is kind of astonishing. Let's see what has been growing most. I said this before, and I say it again, AI is going to stay here. AI is probably in the next, let's say 6 months, going to be a very hot category. If you look at Web 2, what's happening there, and how much funding is coming to AI, I think the same thing will happen with AI and crypto. And then Bitcoin layer 2s are going to come. On that note, we invested in Runes Terminal, which is kind of an ecosystem play. It's serving Runes. Runes is a layer 2 for Bitcoin, EVM compatible, which I'm very bullish on. But yeah, real-world assets still performing well, and data availability, this would be Ether and other deep-in projects. But yeah, let's see what's going to happen. I found yesterday a very good website called sosovalue.xyz, and they're basically having these different indexes. And I think this is a very good site to see some of what's happening in the macro, what's happening overall, any major events. It's also totally free for now, so good to catch up. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys, if we go to, let's go here, dashboard. And the stablecoin market cap, I want to show you guys a little bit more because let's go here. It's been actually stable now, so nothing major has been happening. And usually when this happens, there's dumps happening, and we're gonna wait for the next leg up. And after the leg will start, this is a good time to buy. Stablecoin market has been growing month over month, year over year, and I think this is a major trend that will keep going up. So very good site to be on, very good site to basically check. Let's go back one sec. I'm still learning to use this, by the way. So sorry about not having the best best way of looking at this. But anyway, I want to also show that there's going to be initial jobs claims coming, and usually when initial jobs claims are coming, there's going to be a major event happening. So we might have a lot of volatilities coming up. But let's see. I'm not going to trade that much. I'm just buying spot at the moment. Let's go back to indexes. But yeah, indexes. We can go back. Let's go here. This was another good indicator. So it's basically showing what indexes have been growing. So all indexes, they have different coins inside of them. And at least, if I can see from this correctly, is that Social.Fi, which is the top here, has been growing a lot. This is Forecaster, this is on our media platforms, but this is also Ton. So Telegram is a social platform, and I'm very bullish on Ton. I've been buying it a little bit lately, even more and more, and it hasn't actually dipped that much. If you go back to the graph, let's go here. Oh, I missed it. Let's go here. There we go. Yeah, it's been a bullish trend still. I wouldn't be surprised if we break down a little bit and go back to 6.5 and stay here for a while and then go back up. But we've been bullish quite a long time, and there's a lot of apps coming out from Telegram, and overall, like, my thesis is this: there's a lot of users using Telegram. Almost all crypto players are using it. It's the best. They have the best way of onboarding Web 2 to Web 3, and I see them growing more and more. But yeah, hey, happy to have you guys on the channel. Please like and share, and please subscribe. It will help me a lot.